So today I'll be teaching you how to reactivate your account in Daily Passive. So the very first thing that you need to do is for you to log in your account in Daily Passive. So it is very essential for us to remember that we have to follow the certain steps on how to reactivate your account, because of course there are some instances that you experience some difficulty. So the very first thing that you need to do is you have to check if your account is still active, or you have to check if your account is already mature. So you can see that one in the solve captcha button. Your account is matured if there's an indication that your account is on days left is -1, and of course there's an indicator that your account is already closed. So here the account is already closed. What you're going to do is the first step is to click encashment, and then of course when you're going to click encashment you have to wait for the choices. So there will be in cash affiliate bonus, in cash pass-up bonus, pull out capture capital, and of course the back to dashboard. So you're going to click the pull out captcha or the capital, and of course you'll be directed to this window, pull out or convert captcha. Of course you have to read and understand the notes here written, the things that you need to do, especially on pulling out your captcha. So you have 3 days after maturity to pull out your captcha. You must confirm pull out conversion by entering your password, and please enter your bank details on the space provided. This is where your funds will be transferred, but of course today we have to use your XP account already. So at this point is you are going to choose whether or not pull out capital or convert capital to wallet. So pull out capital means you are going to pull out your capital and at the same time your capture earnings, and it will be converted to your account. And of course you have to choose convert capital to e-wallet, and at the same time you have to confirm your password. And once your password is confirmed, or the password, make sure that you're going to convert this one to capital to wallet, then you have to click proceed. So once it is successful, there will then be this password confirmed statement after you click the proceed area. So after that you're going to click back to dashboard, and then of course you have to wait for the time to be on your dashboard. And then of course next thing that you need to do is you have to click the e-wallet, and then in the e-wallet you will be seeing there, once you click the e-wallet, there are some choices that you need to choose. Then the available e-wallet is actually the amount of your capital that you've invested since then. And then of course there's no PIN, there's no package. And then of course what you're going to do is to click the buy code through e-wallet. So click that one, single click only, and at the same time you'll be directed to this note, select package to buy, make sure you have enough e-wallet, confirm purchase by entering your password, take note of the package code PIN that will be given to you, and then use the code PIN to reactivate your account. So your e-wallet, make sure that your code or PIN is being copied before you proceed. And then of course you cannot downgrade your package. So my package is actually silver, so there will be choices then. So bronze is for 1,000, silver is 3,000, gold is 5,000, platinum is 10,000, diamond is 50,000, and of course your premium is 100,000. So since my previous package is silver, so I have to click the silver. And then of course you have to enter your password, and then of course that's gonna be making sure that your password is correct. And then you only click once your buy now, click once the buy now, and then of course when you click the buy now you have to wait for a moment, and then at the same time you have to wait for the PIN to be given. So purchase is successful. Please take note of your PIN. So what you're gonna do is you're going to copy this PIN. So highlight that one and then right click and then copy. Make sure it's actually being copied. Right click and then copy, and then of course that's the time you're going to back to dashboard. Click the back to dashboard. So of course once you have already clicked the back to dashboard, click the reactivation tab, and then of course when you're going to click the reactivation tab you will be directed to this area. So rules on reactivation, this module is for deactivated accounts only. Account activation, proceed for downgrade, and then you need to reactivate within 3 days from maturity, or else your account will be disabled. So this is where you're going to paste your PIN And then of course, once you have pasted your pin on that reactivation pin code, what you're going to do is click the reactivate. You have to click it once only, and of course, account reactivated. Congratulations, your account has been reactivated now. And then for us to see if your account is fully reactivated, you are going to click back to dashboard, and then of course you're going to scroll down, and then in the bottom portion of your dashboard, you will be seeing that your dashboard is now active. So your activation is June 8th, and then of course it will have its maturity by July 8th. So your account is now active, so you can now log out.